everybody, welcome back. This is Eric here from All Spawn and Guns. You ever have one of those days where you have issues, okay? We're running a standard M16 lower, and we're going to run a commercial type spec'd out upper on it. We've got a standard Anderson upper with the Sharp Rifle Company's reliable bolt carrier group. All right, we're really going to put this little thing through its paces today. We've got a Geisley rail right here. You know, I don't really expect any issues out of this Mark III rail. It's a 13-inch. We've got a Geisley gas block that's got the bomb-proof installation, so we're going to be kind of testing that, see how well it holds together. We got a Faxon 1 1/8 twist stainless barrel with metallic finish, a single chamber clockable Faxon brake. All right, let's see what this little thing can do here. Now what we've done is, because we want to see what type of grease that we can put the extractor through on this bolt, I've opted for some steel case ammunition because usually steel is pretty rough on the bolt. A couple of things that can happen here, guys. We could have a cook-off. You know, the firearm could get so hot that the rounds actually start to explode prematurely. The heat from the barrel can be so hot that it'll set the round off and cook the powder without the firing pin being hitting the primer. So that could be an issue. We could melt the gas tube. We could melt the gas rings inside of the bolt. We could shear the gas key on the bolt. Gas block is getting hot, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, yeah. Oh boy, that's hot. Yeah, this gas tube, it's about to go.